Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Whoa! Look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, Debo. I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs.
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi, are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it. Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, we did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, Debo. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem. I knew you'd be an amazing crane.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
That's right, Debo. The leaves have almost fallen off the trees. That means winter is coming. Whoa, that is a big bear. It looks like it's ready to hibernate. That's when bears slow down in the winter and rest. Kinda like a bunch of long naps. I wonder, how do bears prepare for hibernation? I'm gonna need the excavator arm.
Excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Nice hula hoop moves you got there. I'm Bella the bear.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're wondering how bears prepare for hibernation.
Is it that time already?
It's almost winter.
Oh no! I've been having so much fun this summer I totally forgot to prepare. I'm gonna have to move fast. Hey, could you help me?
Of course.
Thanks, Blippi. I've got quite the checklist. I'm gonna have to eat a lot of healthy food and fast, so I can bulk up my fat and fur to keep me warm. Fish is one of my favorite foods.
Whoa! Voila!
Oh, right. Eating. Thanks, Blippi. I'll also need to load up on berries.
Bella, don't you need to eat the berries?
Whoopsie-doo. Oh.
Thanks, Debo.
All right. We're making progress. But now for the tough part. We need to dig in the ground to find roots to eat.
I know just the thing to speed up the process.
Nice work, Blippi. Well, excuse me. Delish. Oh, I just need one more thing to keep me warm.
What is it?
I need an extra layer to keep warm in my cave. Pine needles! The bear version of a big, comfy blanket. Oh, thanks! That looks extra cozy. I'm all ready for hibernation. And I couldn't have done it all in one day without your help.
I think we made it just in time. Thanks for answering my question, Bella. Bears prepare for hibernation by eating a lot of healthy food and warming their dens in order to stay comfy in the winter months. Upload answer, Debo. Have a great sleep, Bella.
Bye, Blippi. Oh, take care of my hula hoop till summer, Debo.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Last one to splash has to take out the trash. Wait, worms! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I wonder, why do worms come out in the rain? I'm gonna need pontoons and the excavator arm.
Pontoons, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. La 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 la! Ooh, what's that? La 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 la! Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Oh, hi, I'm Wave the Worm, and I love singing. Everybody join in. I wish I could find another worm I could sing with. Well, I'd ask you, but you're not worms. But hey, enough about me. What can I do for you?
We were wondering why worms come up from underground when it rains.
There are 3 reasons. Follow me. Worm dive.
Whoa! Yeah! It sounds like something's digging down. It's getting closer.
Don't worry, that's just the raindrops hitting the ground above and sending vibrations down. But to us worms, it sounds like a predator trying to dig down and get us. So that's one reason we go topside.
Whoa!
Blood! We better get out of here!
Wave? Hello?
La 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 la. La 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 la.
You're right, Debo. That does look like fun.
Whee! Reason number 2. When it rains, we worms can move around on the ground much faster.
That's right, Debo. Wave did say there are 3 reasons why worms come out in the rain. What's the 3rd reason, Wave?
3rd reason? Oh, that's right. Number 3, to find a friend.
I love the rain.
I love the rain too. We love the rain.
Wave! You found a friend who loves to sing just like you! And now I have the answer to my question. Why do worms come out in the rain? Worms come out in the rain because the raindrop vibrations sound like predators. They can travel more quickly when it's wet and to find a special friend. Upload answer, Debo.
Goodbye, Blippi. Goodbye, Debo.
La 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 la.
Bye-bye, Wave. Thanks for all your help. Wow, that bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down. You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi, I'm Bijan. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijan, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again.
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijan. Thanks for being you.
Bye!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bai, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bye.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no! I'm going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh, not again. I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and Tabs.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bye. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, Bye. Whoa! Look at those ducks floating in that pond. Exactly, Debo. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky. Hang on, Debo. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Well, hello there, Blippi and Debo. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, us ducks do paddle with our feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea. I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right. We have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. Debo is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Look at all those adorable penguins! Look at them sliding on their bellies and waddling around. Wow! I think those penguins are flying. Wait a minute. Those aren't penguins. You're right, Debo. I don't see any penguins flying. I wonder, can penguins fly? I'm gonna need duck feet and flippers.
Duck feet, flippers, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Gangway!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We were wondering, can penguins fly?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Pepper. I really want to fly. I just need to find the elusive shimmer stripe iceberg.
The Shimmer Stripe Iceberg?
Yeah, it's the biggest iceberg around. Once I find it, I think I'll finally be able to fly. Come on, let's go. I prefer tobogganing over waddling. It's much faster.
All right.
Here we go! Whee! Ice slide detour! I'm gonna catch some serious air! Watch this! Whoop!
Pepper?
Almost got it. We just need to find the Shimmer Stripe iceberg. Then I really should be able to fly.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Not this one.
No Shimmer Stripes here. Whoa!
Woohoo!
Where could it be?
Whoa! It's the Shimmer Stripe iceberg!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Here we go! Whoop!
Whoa! Come on, Debo! Yeah!
All right. Are you ready to catch some serious air?
We were born ready!
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Whoa!
Whoa! Hey, dudes! Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Did you see that? I guess it's not the same as flying, but we did catch some serious air.
Pepper, you're soaring!
I am? Whoop. You're right. I can really soar underwater. Whoa!
And I got the answer to my question. Penguins can't fly, but they're great swimmers. They also have flippers instead of wings, which help them swim through the water. Upload answer, Debo.
I'm gonna go catch some serious waves now. Bye, dudes!
Bye, Pepper! Whoa! Look at all the blinking fireflies! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love counting. Don't you, Debo? Hey, get back here, you silly. What you got there, Debo? I wonder, why do fireflies light up? I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Look at all those different flashing patterns. Maybe it's a counting game. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoops.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I was wondering, why do fireflies light up?
Hey, I'm Felicia. And if there's one thing you gotta know about us fireflies, it's that we are all about that blink.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
You again? Just try and catch me this time.
Debo!
I like your style, Debo.
I've never seen moves like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
When fireflies blink, it's because they like another firefly style. And with style like that, I just can't stop. Everybody, stop!
Oh no!
Not today, Froggy Boy.
Felicia saves the day.
Works every time. Fireflies also light up when there is danger around.
Oh, like a warning signal to predators to stay away?
Yep. Nope, not my style. Not bad, but nah. Hey, Blippi, will you help me find a firefly with a blinking style like mine?
You mean like a counting game?
Yeah! Do you remember my flash pattern?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's it!
We found your match.
Now that's my style.
What a great adventure! And I got the answer to my question. Why do fireflies light up? Fireflies light up to warn predators to stay away and to help them find other fireflies with the same blinking style. Upload answer, Debo.
Thanks for your help, Blippi!
Bye, Felicia! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa, look at that, Tabs! It's an adorable kitty cat. And look at those super long whiskers. I wonder, why do cats have whiskers? Great idea, Tabs. Let's follow that kitty cat and find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Do you see any kitties yet, Tabs? Whoa! What was that? Hey! It's me, Blippi. What's your name?
Hipley's the name, and treats are my game. Say, you aren't holding out on me, are you?
Holding out on what?
Treats. I can smell them like hot cakes in the morning. They're close. Hurry, follow me.
Wait for me!
Yeehaw! Woo! Flawless.
How do you land so perfectly?
My whiskers have special sensors that help keep me oriented, so I always land on my feet. Like this. Haha.
Do you think you can fit?
My whiskers help me determine if I can fit through the passage without getting stuck. See? I told you. Come on, Blippi.
It's so dark. How can you see anything?
When I can't see what's around me, my whiskers tell me when something's there. Ah, rats. No treats in here. But we must be close. Come on, y'all.
What else can your whiskers do?
Even the slightest breeze can tell me information about my environment and what direction a smell is coming from. My whiskers are telling me that the treats are... Woo! There! pod. Would you look at that? Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm happier than a pig in mud.
What a great adventure, Kippley! We found the treats! And I got the answer to my question. Why do cats have whiskers? Cats' whiskers help them navigate their environment and help them keep oriented so they always land on their feet. Upload answer tabs. Bye-bye, Kippley.
Thanks, Blippi. It was great to have you as a sidekick on this adventure. Bye, y'all.